Call your girl, she can't rush your knees. We don't do this for free, we get checks for this. Link the bank number for
me just hear the dog say, yo, when him call your girl, she can't rest her knees. Bumbo cleat. People, the man named K-Lion. Boom, 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 boom. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction Boss. Who feel better? Who feel 10 times better? Right, people, myself for the past couple of days, people, The Reaction Boss never feels so righted. But I say right now, we feel like a million. No, I lie me I tell. You know what I feel like? I feel like one car, yeah, you could the car for spray the car. We don't know about that. But anyways, myself, I'm feeling a little bit better, you understand? I'm still a little bit of pain, you understand? But I feel a little bit better. You see me, I say I'm still in bed for the whole day, but I've made the video because I post every single day, and I told y'all yesterday I'm posting this video, right? And for those who didn't even know, my mother's a nurse, so she take care of me, you see me? Big up on yourself. Like up the video, comment to see your comment next video I post, and I'll post every single day. Run tune K-Lion with his official lyric video. Woo! Feel a little bit better than what they feel yesterday. Run tune!
Yeah. And my fault, man. No lock the girls there.
Yeah?
Yo,
I say my move.
every pretty woman, big up yourself. Yo, cat,
Big
black.
up every pretty woman. BIL, you know we like the girls them already. Hey, them when I say, many dislikes for you. Big up yourself. But, you me say the man. BIL. Go on.
Someone to know how to treat them, girl.
Yeah. Them
Them
don't know how to do it.
treat them, girl.
Alright.
Someone to know how to treat them, girl.
Big up to the man them know how to treat them woman right. Because some boy don't know how to do it. And that K-Lion I couldn't understand right now. Let me I say. K-Lion see before him pass away, say a long time them boy don't know how to treat them girl, so I make a song for you right now, you know. You hear me? So I make a show him off for saying, you hear me I say. Them know how to treat them girl. Go on.
Treat them, girl. Best believe. And not my fault, a boy, girl, do all leave.
Sure.
She get she stress relief. She get sex with it.
Sure. And boy girl come here, right? She no want left. You think I'm my fault? Our man fault because she not get her sex with ease. And that the man make she know say, yo, when she find my yard, she get the sex with ease, so she no want leave. And not for him fault. Our man fault. Deal with the K-Lion.
Loves him with the Glock and she breast me squeak.
Sure.
Hey yo, for this, we get sex with this.
Sure.
Get what's up for see which next we please. And if
That's it, what's up for switch next thing, please. Basically, I say any one of them on the list, any single one of them be them can get knocked next. Just checking what's up and say which one next. I say, no, it's a big battle, Keisha. No. Roll up, Kenisha. You see me, I say, go on.
call your girl, she can't rush your knees. We don't do this for free, we get checks for this. Link the bank number for the record cheese.
You hear what I go on? The dog say him don't do this for free. Basically, him don't not the boy them girl for free. Him get checks for this. Checks for this. Don't for pay a bro girl for do them things, yeah. The girl don't for pay for the body. And the things are posing alone, say. Body sell too. Burn up that. Go on!
Sweet and pon beach, love sit and pon block. Love see man concrete, love see pan pon glock.
Yeah.
She hands on sweet like when she hands on cock. And from
Woo! Only hear what go on a while, I go near the player words. Like she hands on what? Me never hear that part there. We don't want to hear that part there, but people, right now, right tune, let's chat in. Chat the fire emoji man like button. Go on!
she start freak, that's when she start fuck. And she next start lock, iron like Bedford truck. Pull she hair back shot, non-stop. Run away late night for the pussy.
When she hear non-stop. I just worked that song named Backshot. If I was it's an 80 song, you see me from Asia, 80. You see me, I go check it out. Them say they want more videos, so I have to represent for them, just like I come present for Uno. You see me, go check it out. Song called Backshot. Bad piece of song. Bad piece of video too. The girl them batty set so. Then me I say, like the animated video from Rebel 6 yesterday. So the girl them batty said dog. You hear me? Oh, fuck. But yeah. Then I say I'm feel 200 now. Go on, late night for the pussy earth.
She hurt, she na medal real G figure do the dirt.
Yeah.
As she jump in the jeep, she go lift his skirt. We little get make me see.
Pause. As she jump in the jeep, she gonna lift his skirt because that's what she want it. Right, that's all. You know me? No long chattings. No long chattings. The dog now go in the car and the dog make them know say, yo, I know I want it. Yes, I want it. And you give me right, yes. I that the dog got do. Kill and talk to them.
What the kitty word? She run away.
Run away.
Run away. Run away. You make she run away late night.
Oh yeah. Basically, your man make sure run away in a late night. You make sure run away. You make sure run away come a Tyrekevlogs. You make sure the way go Killian. Run away late night. Wish we could have seen like all YouTube blood. But you make sure run away. You lose a girl. Hush. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, ready?
Make she run away late night. Best believe, and it's my fault a boy girl do all leave. She get she stress relief, she get sex with it. She loves him.
All while going on, when I met a beautiful girl in the lyric video. No? Because I made the lyrics and the song and I listen to the audio. And the beautiful girl is right there from the meds her to me now and give me attention. So I go start look on her and shake up her body and thing and her actions them. And give her the attention she really deserve and she need. You understand me? I say because I don't want to run away late night. So I look on her real good for your mate. Go on.
With the Glock and she breast me squeak. Hey yo, to this we get sex with this. Check what's up for see which next we please. And if
and them all pause you right there, so I'm not gonna stop and look on you to them, man. Yeah, but look at something I go on for you right there, so you know, like a little thing there. And yeah, she light skin, me kinda like light skin, and me I say too. Yeah, alright. You have to mess them now. Go on now. I love pum pum now. I don't know I love pum pum already, you know. You can't watch reaction boss video right now and don't know some love pum pum. You see me I say? Alright, go on.
I call your girl, she can't rush your knees. When I do this for free, we get checks for this. Link the bank number for this.
Me just hear so the dog say, yo, when him call your girl, she can't rest her knees. Bumbucklead. People, the man named Killian. She can't rest her knees, them. Cause her back shot she love, so she have to dip on them knee there. Yo, go on.
And tell him yes, you run up, my fire first.
Yeah.
Not independence, when you get the fireworks.
Sure.
Must be a dumb jealous friend, put him on high alert. You're not talk
Must
trouble.
be a dumb jealous friend, put it on high alert. The dog can know say him fire first. And then him flow got change up again. He might give the Melandra flow now. Yo, like out the video right now if you watch the video right now. You don't know it's chopping up people. You hear me? You like the video? Alright, go on. But I'm looking at her real good. She look good, you know. I'm like when them do that, them put one half naked girl tonight. You know what I mean? Because them know say that the people, them want to still what them say, you know, this one I go see. Go on.
Just make sure the tire burst. And when she come on my crib, she girl the way you want her. She smooth and soft, something like a bacard.
She's smooth and she's soft. She want to pass. Fuck. I don't know why me I move so fast. I know I'm sick in the dog. But she do what she want though. You did me so she come and play. She do what she want though. And she's soft and she's smooth. Something like avocado. Pear. You know pear soft and she make me feel.
She make me feel strong, something like Johnny Bravo. I'm play with it like
big up
a
Johnny
yarn.
Bravo, one of the biggest bodyguard them out of the world right now. They me out of Trinidad. They me say big up Johnny Bravo said speed. They me.
When she run away,
hold on, piano.
you want her. She smooth and soft, something like avocado. She make me feel strong, something like Johnny Bravo. I'm play with it like piano. When she
Clad the fuck. The doctor have to come play with it like a piano. Go on, rest of the tune.
run away late night with the pussy hurt. She not my del real. Run away. Leave. And it's my fault a boy girl do all leave. Tell your girl she can't rush your knees.
If you are reading this, you are a real K-Lion fan. Even though I skip through, well, of course I skip through again, still. You're a real K-Lion fan. I'm a real K-Lion fan, no joke. No joke. July 27, 1990. Rest up, brother. Rest up. So, on realize that in the ending of that one, in the ending of that video, well, pause. Yeah, yesterday we react to Rebel 6. They me and say, Wait. I see both of them at the end there. You see Kayla and you see Rebel 6 at the end there and tell them to rest up. But the one I wanna see two of them, I wanna see one. But at the same time, rest up to the two of them is two of the baddest thing out of Trinidad. Is two of the baddest thing for a walk at Trinidad right now, dog. You dig me? I think Trinidad alone, not dance all overall. You dig me? I say so they have to lose them, but so you go. But them still have music a drop. You understand? Members hope say if them have war, keep them for listen them once a year to backside. Jar them up, I could get this on them. You know what I say? But this is when the boy Tyrekevlogs, they keep the reaction. Boss, peace out.